Hi guys, ito yung pag-top up sa machine learning. Kung gusto mo mag-research, top up for 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 amount. Then enter the amount. If 1,000, enter the amount, and submit order. Then punta sa GCash, login GCash, lagay mong number dyan, proceed sa GCash, and if napasok na yung balance mo dito sa wallet balance, punta ka dito sa machine, tapos pababa ka, scroll ka pababa, kung 1,000 see more, o 2,000 see more, 2,000 see more, then submit. Sold out no? See more, sold out, see more, then submit. In how to withdraw, return, how to withdraw, then kung withdraw ka, ito naman sa withdrawal, yan, ang minimum lang to withdraw is 100 withdraw, 100, 10% deduction to selection, then GCash number mo, 10%, no? Then submit order, yan, papasok na sa GCash mo. Thank you, salamat.